What's up, guys? We are back for our second installment of Jacob's Fox Body Mustang build. So as you saw last time, we got the engine removed. There it is right there. And this time, we are going to be looking at installing and cutting out a place for his fuel cell, which has a sump. So you got to cut a hole in the floor, and then maybe even looking at putting in that hatch barrier so that we are NHRA legal. Jake's working on jacking up the car so we can get underneath it, and then we'll start it on. So Jake was already busy getting the factory tank out from underneath the car. So you can see the spot for the spare tire. So we're gonna figure out how to cut right through there. Get her mounted up nice and flush.
Okay, right there.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Hard to see without.
Okay, that should be lined up.
Good.
Yep.
Marker's starting to heat us.
That's perfect. Yep. That looks like how it should be. We lost the sticker.
Yeah, the sticker was falling off.
That's fine. We can't be having stickers that can't hang.
Sticker can't keep up.
Nope, doesn't belong.
No. That one's gonna be.
Go over a little bit.
No, we're gonna. What is it? Scott Ross? Scott Rod. And his hand sketch abilities. I don't know, Clark.
It's the farm mobile.
You know, I think that's the best way. Probably just move this so see if it helps. I'm gonna sit down here. Alright, so how much higher do you think we gotta go? Wanna try it up to that shoulder?
I think up to here, just like this, and then we can maybe even cut along this then. So that essentially you're cutting out the speaker box here.
Let's just cut it straight up first. Try to draw a straight line and we'll go from there.
Beautiful.
Boy, I missed a little.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I don't know how.
That's too far. It's not far enough over though. I think it's gotta go this way still, don't you?
Towards us or towards
This way.
the driver's side? Pull it out and then we can flip it over and try to cut from the back. What's up, guys? It is a new day, but we are working on the same project. Today we are going to try to finish up this bulkhead. We got the fuel cell pretty much where it's going to be. So we'll try to finish the bulkhead and go from there. What you got to try to do is hold it down, but then also hold it really square with how we want it. We should probably take your tape measure and make sure we're centered too.
Yep. The tape measure should be right next to your knee. I'm gonna measure on this plate. Okay, these are the same.
Now you gotta hold it down square and kind of. Do we want to keep it flush with the plate, you think?
I think so. Just like
Try
that.
to use that as our straightness template.
Yeah.
Okay. And then once you do this, man. Rivet gun. It'd be ashamed if we couldn't get it tight. Okay, we can. Let me just. Come on. All right. Good spot. Okay, now when I do this is when it's really important not to move. Okay.
There you go, I'm good.
Here. How's it look there?
Looks great. Right there. Success. Is that good then?
We don't want it to stick too far out. We also want it to be. Hold. Okay, you hold that plate up.
Yep. There we go. Looked like it should have.
Yep. Perfect. Let's drill the other one.
Look at all that metal shavings right into the gas thing.
Yeah, that's not good. Here, we're gonna have to.
Okay, there you go.
It's flush?
Yep. Okay, shut it again.
Yeah.
Good squish.
Is it shut tight? Okay.
I can't shut her any tighter.
Okay. Open it up.
Okay. Beautiful. Look at that, it's darn near perfect right now.
Because we have that like that, right? I mean, we should
Yeah.
be able to.
We should be able to just mark it up and
I don't know.
shut her down, but do you think I should just shut her anyways?
One second. I'll get it out.
Okay.
I have the calligraphy pen. what happened. There it is. I was getting nervous.
Okay, I have other pens just in
Yeah.
case. But it's not as good as a calligraphy pen.
Calligraphy pen is marginal at best.
It's not Sharpie, but it's not pen.
Okay, one second. So we know that this has got to be like that.
I wonder if we could just pin this whole thing down in the back here.
I mean, technically, yeah, you could.
Because this whole thing is going to be just a nightmare.
You don't want to pin it down when you got to get the...
No, but can't you do like unlatchable pins?
Yeah.
Like you just pin it in, and then we just unpin it?
We'll make a latch. We'll get the latch. Okay. Close her up. Oh, yeah, that's good. Right?
Beautiful. That's a Clark.
Can you see on the back side here? So I'm not gonna move it.
Yeah.
Grab the calligraphy pen out of my right hand to your left side, and then mark it on the back side. Not over there, but on the other side.
Okay. Okay, I did a lot of drawing.
Other side, Margot, down there.
Okay, when are you ready?
Right now. I was ready like 10 minutes ago before you started drawing over it. Okay, can you see it? Good enough.
Okay.
You're gonna have to take all that off, you know?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay.
That.
Check where the old clothes. Bet you that would help too.
You ready to what?
Close it down. See if it's squishy. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See? That's a lot. Yeah. So we just finished it.
It's a word.
So we just finished riveting together the what is it called?
Scott Rod bulkhead.
Scott Rod bulkhead. So we had to do some modifications. We had to put this plate on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. We got a large aluminum plate, 1/8 inch thick, so that we could bolt it and remove it, pull it in and out of the car, and we riveted the bulkhead to that. We had to do a lot of measuring, line it up. So give her a shut, and I can see how that seals up against the glass. And you can see from in here what it looks like, especially with one of the panels there. We have to kind of situate both of the panels in, and it should look really good. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and then catch us back next time when we start on a fuel system and also plumbing the nitrous.